Hi, everyone, we have Weaves in the Toronto Star Newsroom. This is very exciting. It might get a bit loud. Take it away, kids. Waves! Waves in the newsroom.